Hey, my name is Vasily Billies, and in this video we're going to talk more about risk management, and I'm going to show you some behind the scenes how our trading bots are working and how we tweak them every week as also during a week to meet the best market conditions and to get the most out of the bots. Okay, first disclaimer: if you think this is a money printing machine and you don't have to do anything and you're getting rich within 2 months, please leave. Cancel your account, leave this community. That's it. Okay. Go to another shiny object. This is not what it's all about. If you are serious, and you don't even have to have knowledge of day trading, but if you are serious and treat this like a business, have the mindset as a businessman, you know that you need to invest, you know that it needs time, you know that it needs attention, and that's also what this video is for. You need the risk management, you need to know also everything what has to do with, for example, news, what kind of effect has news to day trading and also the stock market. You need to dive into it, okay? And that's why I'm here and explain you more about one important point: risk management. Sorry about my English. I'm Dutch, so that's not my native language. So I hope you can understand what I'm explaining here, but I think you will do. So let's start. Okay, so they are bots from Trade Changes. Use them on two ways. One, let them run for 24 hours a day or 23 hours a day. End of the week, you see a profit or a loss. When you have a loss, you think, oh man, what a shitty tool this is. I quit. You have a win. Wow, I found the Holy Grail. I'm going to order my Ferrari. Both are wrong. It's not a Holy Grail. You can't buy a Ferrari. Two, it's not a shitty tool because it's working. So that's what I want to explain here. It needs attention. And the people which are having success with our copy training, bots, but also with our bots we are running here in the Netherlands on a different way, are successful. Okay, they fund their accounts sometimes within 2 weeks, sometimes within 2 months, depending on the market conditions. Because you can have bad weeks, bad months. Okay, so that's the mindset you have to have. If you think it's only profit, and you see the dollars are already coming in from heaven, then stop. So on the left side, let me get my head on the right side, you see TradingView. TradingView is where our bots are running. This is our strategy. We developed ourselves. Took a long time to get the best result of it because it's not so easy to do. And we tested them, and we started the 1st of March with offering them here on the Dutch market on a different way, not copy trading, but people manage their bots themselves. They get training, they get a coach, that kind of stuff. They pay a lot more, of course. But yeah, most of them are day traders which are using them besides their manual trading. Okay, so that's how we sold it here in Netherlands. And then Eric from Quantico came in and said, "Man, your bots will do also perfectly with our copy trading system because you can connect TradingView, your strategy, to our automated system and to Tradeovate. Let's do it." So for the people which, for example, are working all day or studying or having another business, this is ideal. But it needs attention, and doesn't need attention all day because it's automated, but you need to have a strategy, okay? And a risk management. That's all about. So 15 minutes a day, that's enough. But give it an attention and see what it's doing and learn how it will behave also in which market. So maybe you are also thinking, man, today is not a good day for the bot. I switch it off. I don't trade today. So no connection with my Chrome extension. Today is a day off. Because I saw in the previous weeks or previous months in the same market conditions, it's not working. We are doing our best to tweak the bot to the best market condition, but we can't influence the trades in there, okay? We only can do the settings. So if there is a volatile market, we increase the take profit and the stop loss settings. If it's a sideways market, we decrease those two levels and maybe some other parameters we can do here in our dashboard. So our bots are running here. We have our dashboard here. And here we are able to tweak everything which needed to get the best result and which parameters meets the best conditions in the market. That's it. But you are still able to switch off your bot because it's your bot, all right? If you don't want to have a trade day because you see the market is not going in your favor, switch it off. That's one thing of the risk management things you need to know. So bot's running here is giving a signal to Quantico copy trading platform. We are able to do our settings in here. Do we do it once a week, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, also depending on the market condition during that week. And we have a backtesting system also. So this is, for example, the gold digger. And when we go 30 days back, this is the P&L. When we go 90 days back, then this will be the P&L. So also on long term, it take profits in different market conditions. It always have a positive P&L. It also have a positive profitable trades percentage, and the profit factor is more than 1.1 or 1.2. That's very important. Drop down must be also very low, so it's low in here. So these are the factors which we are programming and do the settings in the bots. Okay, not more, not less. So it sent the signals to Quantico. So these are the signals. Like here, we have an exit short here. We have a buy here. Close position orders. So this is the close position order 4 minutes before the market is closing. The gold market is closing for 1 hour. It will close automatically because a lot of prop firms, they don't like to have overnight open positions. So mostly they do it themselves to close the position, but this is doing the bot. Okay, so you are always secured that you are not violate one of the policies. So everything is in place here. We are doing at that time some kind of risk management for the market conditions, but we are not in control of everything. So, but you are in control actually of everything yourself. So when we go to Tradeovate, so that's what's happening. Everything is happening there. So put my face in here. Okay. Tradeovate. First of all, this is where it happens. Here you can set your amount of micros, depending of the size of your prop firm account. If you have a 25k prop firm account, you're using the gold digger, for example, then use 2 micros, 1 or 2 micros. Okay. That's for a 25k account. For a 50k account, maybe 3, not more. If you have a 50k account, you're using the digger, then use 3, maybe 4 micros. Okay, not more. If you're using the RM Edge, use 1 or 2 micros for a 50k account and 1 micro for a 25k account. Okay, do your own calculation. That's what I want to say, because that's also depending your risk management. If you set it on 10, YOLO, we're going full on a 25k account because I want to get funded within 2 days. Let's go. Don't complain if we have 5 losing trades in 2 days, because you will blow your account. Okay, so it's your own fault. So that's what I want to say. You are in control of the profits and the losses. So if 1 micro, the signal is 1 micro, is $50, for example, with the gold digger. If you set 2 micros, your profit will be $100, but also your losses will be $100 if the loss is $50. Do your calculation. So the same with RM Edge, the same with all the other bots maybe we are releasing. Okay. So the amount of micros you can set in here, depending of your account size, your prop firm account size, and then you go to the right corner, and then you go to accounts and risk settings. So here you are able to set your daily loss and your daily profit trigger from that certain accounts you are running your bot on. Okay. Daily loss limits. Say we're using the gold digger, and 1 micro will have $50 profit, and 1 micro will have $100 loss. Okay. So that's mostly how the settings are in the volatile market. In the non-volatile market, the profit will be around $50 and the loss will be around $70. Sometimes we have the settings when it's not so volatile, 12 to 15, maybe $20 profit, and then a bit less loss too. But we are tweaking, so it's not something standard. So like I showed you, the bot is fully also customizable, so that's what we're doing. But you have to do the calculation yourself. So if I have a 25k account, then I need 1.5k to get funded. Okay. So I do my calculation. My drawdown is, I think, is also $1,500, something like that. And I do my calculations. Okay, how many trades do I need to get funded? And yeah, I want to prevent that my account is blowing. So what's my stop loss? So let's say I want to have $150 daily loss limit. Okay, to protect my account. My daily profit trigger was to be $200. So that will say that if I have around, let's see, 9, 7, 8, when I have 8 profitable days of $200, then in a row, you never know, then I have my account funded. But that will never happen, okay? But I protected also my daily loss. So if, for example, when I have 2 bad trades or 3 bad trades in a row, then it will shut down and disable your account fully on a $150 loss limit, and every single which coming in, it will be ignored, okay, to protect you. Or we have 1 profitable trade and 3 losing trades, and we go over the $150 drawdown here, then it also will close that day for you and protect your account on $150 daily loss limit. That's it. Next day, it's opening again, available again, so you don't have to go back to your account of Tradeovate. It's just resetting during the night. If it has, and mostly it happens during Asia sessions, we have a $200 profit with 3 or 4 profitable trades in a row. It will take your profit, it will lock also your account. Every trade which is coming in after that will be ignored, okay, to protect your daily profit. Because if it don't, let's say you have $200 during Asia and you have $300 loss during New York session, the London sessions, then you will end up the day also negative, okay? So sometimes, which we have now for people which are running them continuously and don't have any risk management settings, they come home, oh, we have $100 loss. Okay, that's a pity. But if they have the risk management settings set like this, for example, they will have a profit, because if they have 4 or 3 profitable trades in a row, then they're already done for that day. So they come back from the work. You see, oh, in Asia, during Asian sessions, we had very good trades. During London, New York, they were bad, but I still have $200 profit. Okay, that's how it works. So it's about your own. So I can't say you have to set it on 150. This is just an example. You have to do your own calculation. Okay, so calculate your own risk management, and that for your trading strategy. Okay, so this is the most important thing that will determine also if you are profitable with Copy Trading Bots or not. And of course, without giving any attention, you can have very good months without doing anything. But yeah, you want to take control yourself. You want to see as a business. I think it's fun that you are in control of your accounts and not depending on a bot of another guy who is setting like me your bots and then see what happens. So I think when you take your own responsibility, I'm sure when you take your own responsibility, then yeah, it's more profit, more fun, and I'm sure you will also become successful when you are diving into this and doing these kind of things, okay? So that's it. This is the video about risk management and about our bots and how to get the most out of it. Again, disclaimer, this is not a money printing machine. If you think you get rich short term, leave and do something else. Again, we are not responsible for any losses you will occur using our bots. That's also written everywhere. We are offering this service to Quantico. Quantico is using our service, so that's how it works. And but before you get started, also you need to know how it works and yeah, how you also be one of them in our profit, in the profit category, which is constantly sharing the profits and get funded. And maybe after 1 year, they can say, okay, I can buy my new car, which I already dreamed of, or I can go on vacation with my family, which we dreamed of with your kids, with your spouse. You know, it's all about creating freedom, right? And so nothing comes easy. I'm an entrepreneur for 20 years, and now I did several make money online businesses like affiliate marketing, like e-commerce, coaching, whatever. I did it everything. So I was CEO of Build All Europe. I worked with Eric, so Eric was my former business partner. So I run here the business here in Netherlands for Europe. Made it successful, and then Eric sold the company and also stepped out 1 year later. Now we are back again working together, but there are two different also entities. So this is my business. Eric has his Quantico Cap and Quantico Copy Trading, but we are just partnered up, and they are taking our service and they are selling it to you guys. Okay. That's it. That was it. Any question, let me know. Me allow the comments, and wish you a lot of success.